So guys, let's watch the easiest way to call MTN office. Thank you very much.
And thank you for calling MTN. Our calls are recorded for quality and training purposes. Dear valued customer, for account-related information and request, press 1. For 4G and data-related and support, press 2. Mobile money, press 3. For information on what is mobile money, press 1. For information on mobile money registration, press 2. For information to register and enjoy the mobile money service, the account holder must provide a valid photo ID card, driver's license, NHIS, national identification card, voter's ID card, proof of address, and the completion and signing of an application form. Press star in order to be connected to our customer service representatives